back to my video. Today we're playing Minecraft, but Undertale Resource Pack. If you want the resource pack, I'll send it in the description of the video. Today we're just, we just built our house in Undertale. Basically of this. Oh, yes. And this. Yes. If you're wondering who I am behind this mask, I won't tell you. Now I'm gonna tell you. Here's what I'm taking off. Ready, set. Timmy with seriously armor. Timmy with crazy armor. Yeah, it may look scary, but in the inside it looks normal. Timmy with Timmy with buff armor. Timmy has buff armor now. You cannot match Timmy. If you're wondering what happened to the Undertale roleplay, well, we're still gonna do that later. Sandy's been blown up. Maybe, I don't know. We made some few changes where we went different directions. Basically, we changed stuff since it's been blown up. And guess what? We're playing Catcraft. I'll send the IP. Maybe, I don't know. Here is mine. Look inside. There is a chest that doesn't work here. An egg. Bow punch 1. And 2 iron picks that's broken. And if you're wondering what is this? Well, guess what? I have a lot of stuff. I got a lot of stuff. With this resource pack, skeletons look like papyrus. This is Timmy. And then, I don't know next. This is Timmy. Gold armor is Timmy. This is iron armor. If you're wondering what does diamond look like? Well, guess what? Diamond chest plate. This is what diamond looks like. It looks like Undyne's armor. It looks like Undyne's. And guess what? If you wonder what the sword looks like, it's a spear. Undyne's spear. And yeah, of course, we have a lot of things that we can show you. Catcraft is an amazing thing where creepers don't blow up. Plus you could do this. If you die, you can go back to your items. Yeah, see, when you die, you can go back to your items. And plus, guess what? Wanna know about, yeah, and also you can warp to another. And also, Leo's also here if you don't hear him. Hey, Leo, can you talk? Hello? If you're wondering, what does this sign do? What this sign do? It locks it. Basically, if you put a sign, it'll say your name on it. And then basically, if you put it next to a door or like a chest or something, you can lock it. Basically like this. If you look in the chat, it says it's protected by Calvin. But he can't use mine. Try to use mine, Calvin. Try to use this barrier. I'm trying to use this barrier block. You can break it too. Plus you can break this or hey, why'd you break the door?
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's fine. It don't have to have a lock on it. Here, basically, if you put a sign next to a door, it can be on top, left, right, or bottom. You can lock it. And they say like this chest. I don't want. This is why I put. Make sure you lock your stuff. That's why people won't take it. People might come in here and raid it. This is Calvin's room. Can you open the door? Let me show people your room. Okay, fine. We can show you after. This is Emmett's room. It doesn't have anything left, but yeah. Also, this is the second floor. Just in case we're making another room for someone. And lookout tower. We're still making the lookout tower soon. It may look good. Trying to get sand. I'm gonna try to get sand if I can. Now let's go back down. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna warps. Let's see. I'm gonna go get some sand so I can make some glass.
Me too.
Okay, desert. Let's go.
What you did?
Also, if you're wondering why is it not breaking, well, guess what? Someone claimed this land. Someone claimed this land. That's why it's not working.
Let's open the temple.
It already been raided, Calvin. It looks like it's been raided already.
No, no, this.
Yeah, it looks raided because of like stuff here.
Okay, yeah. Oh, you can break it. Oh, it's a long way down.
Yeah,
And
but
you walk that out.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
glad there's no trap. There's no trap. Oh wow, if you want to see Papyrus, you can see it at the you can see it at the at what is night. If you want to see Papyrus. Go back up. And now, since I've been raided, I took damage for like a lot. I don't know why. Also, you see people's HP. I got no idea how they do this. I really want to do this, girl. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how they do this. And hey, Leo, wanna talk to my channel people? Actually, I should call you guys something. Like basically, what should I call them? What should I call them?
Viewers.
Or ninjas? Maybe, I don't know.
No, please.
So basically, samurais or I don't know. I just gonna call them samurais. Okay, whatever. Oh, it's about to become night. Okay, guys. Okay, people, are you ready to see Papyrus? You better get ready, people. Want to see Papyrus? He looks awesome. Yeah, I'm not trolling. This is not a mod. It's actually a resource pack. This is actually a resource pack, not a mod. Oh, so there's other people on the server. Wait, why am I lagging? Oh, God. I was lagging so hard. But you can also AFK. I think the hunger bar. I think the hunger bar don't go there.
Where are you at?
Right now showing my viewers that they want to see Papyrus. Okay, I'm showing them Papyrus. If I just find a skeleton at. Well, I think I see just one spider. Oh, there he is! Papyrus! The good Papyrus, you like Papyrus? Okay, now let's get out of here. Come on, let's go, let's go. That's me sleeping. Alright, now we got back. If you're wondering what this is, I think these are the hotlands. I think, maybe. This is like Calvin's room made out of obsidian. Oh, Calvin, you need a torch in there! Calvin, you have to put the torch in there.
Why?
I got in your room. Dang it. Because it's dark in there. Mob sweat will spawn, Calvin.
Then we kick them out.
Yeah, but here's the thing. You can't sleep in your room. You can't sleep in your room, Calvin. Calvin, let me in. I'll put torches. Yeah, there's only like 9 players sleeping. So I'm gonna go to sleep. Good night. By the way, where is Leo?
I don't know. I think we left the prison.
Let me see. Let me see. There's like, oh, there's an admin. Does it add Twitch? Oh, is there Leo? Oh yeah, he's still in the game. Yeah, he's in the game. It may look crowdy, but Leo's in the game. Dude, there's like so much players.
Hello. No.
Oh, I see myself. Oh wait, what happened? I think someone left? Yeah. Somehow, I don't know why people are not sleeping. Oh, Leo, say hi. Leo's right now, Chara, and I am timid. Also, Undying Spear looks like a spear. That's really cool. By the way, my secret storage, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, why does it look like Sam's arrows? Oh my god, yeah! Leo also has like a private spot. Okay. Also, don't tell anybody about this. Oh, lagging. Okay, it's loading.
Oh, what's the X-ray?
Yeah, the X-ray. I'm about to show them the X-ray. Here's what the X-ray looks like. Melting. Oh, loading.
Tell them about the X-ray.
Basically, so the X is an X-ray where basically it may look dark. The ore may look dark, but if you go to /mine, it's a perfect spot where you can mine. Basically, it gives you night vision. Also gonna get. Wait, what?